And now, marine weather around Alaska.
And for the south coast of the Panhandle, tomorrow, Tuesday, south winds 10 to 15 knots, east-southeast 20 to 25 knots on the north coast. And for Clarence Strait, south winds 10 knots, southeast 15 for Stevens Passage Inland Canal. And for Wednesday on the south coast, south to southeast winds 15 to 20 knots, north coast, east-southeast 15 to 20 knots. Inside waters, also looking at southeast winds at 15 to 20 knots with 2 to 6 foot seas, highest in Clarence Strait. Prince William Sound, east wind tomorrow 20 knots, east to 25 for the eastern North Gulf Coast, back down to 20 knots for the west side. And the Barren Islands, northeast at 25 knots, southern Cook Inlet and Kamishak Bay. Northeast wind 20 knots, northern Cook Inlet, northeast at 15. And for Cook Inlet on Wednesday, as well as Kamishak Bay, variable winds at 10 knots. Northeast at 20 for the Barren Islands and western North Gulf Coast. Prince William Sound, northeast at 10 and east at 20 for the eastern North Gulf Coast. Kodiak Island, northeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Northwest 20 to 30 knot winds in the forecast for the Alaska Peninsula. And Bristol Bay looking at a north wind at 15 for Tuesday. Bristol Bay on Wednesday, light breeze out of the west with seas at 3 feet. Alaska Peninsula, variable winds at 10 knots. And Kodiak Island, northeasterlies at 15. For the eastern Aleutians on Tuesday, west-northwest winds at 20 to 30 knots. Central Aleutians, west-southwest at 20. And for the western Aleutians, southwest winds 20 to 30 knots. For Wednesday, western Aleutians, south to southwest winds at 20 knots, Adak and Atka, southwest at 20, and the eastern Aleutians, west-northwest at 25 knots. For the southwest coast, northwest winds tomorrow at 20 knots, northwest 20 for the Pribilof Islands, northwest at 15 for St. Matthew Island, and north winds at 20 knots for St. Lawrence Island. And then for Wednesday, 10-knot winds from the northwest for the southwest coast and St. Lawrence Island. Light winds also in Norton Sound. Light variable winds for the Pribilofs and northeast at 15 for St. Matthew Island. For the Chukchi Sea tomorrow, variable winds 5 to 20 knots. And for the Arctic coast, for the central and west side here, east winds 25 to 30 knots, good for brisk wind advisories there, but a gale warning for east winds at 35 knots from Barter Island to Demarcation Point. And then for Wednesday, Arctic coast, east winds 20 knots, in the Chukchi Sea, north to northeast winds at 10 to 15 knots.